welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw an airplane ticket. So, here my black pen and I'm using it to draw the ticket. I need my ruler as well. First of all, draw a straight line and then draw another one, and the final one. Let's make its corner curved. And now divide the rectangle into two parts. Let's write boarding pass. Again, let's draw the barcode. It's a tough job, I will complete it later. Let's draw a tiny airplane sign. Wow! And now let's write Hassan Janem. Let's write from. To. Carrier. Date and time. Flight, seat, gate, etc. Let's complete the barcode now. Follow the same thing in the other side. And this is how you can draw an airplane ticket within few minutes.